Is it the right time to make a move with Apple stock? In this video, we'll be delving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, February 15, 2024. Now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any vital updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by giving our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 a try at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please bear in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of February 6, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, with a score of -3.43. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. Apple's stock experienced a loss of -2.87%. This means that on average, it has been declining by -0.36% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. Currently, the stock is experiencing a downward trend in the short term, indicating the possibility of further decline within this trend. Looking at the past 3 months, there is a potential -3% change in the stock's value over the next 3 months. This means the stock could see a return ranging from -5.86% to 2.34%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 18.73% change in the stock's value over the next year. This could result in a potential return ranging from 13.90% to 31.41%. In other words, the stock's price could range from $209.41 to $241.61 after a year. Our latest update for Apple revolves around its stock price. On Thursday, the stock price closed at $183.86, experiencing a slight decrease of 0.157%. Specifically, on the 15th of February 2024, the Apple stock price declined from $184.15 to $183.86, marking its fourth consecutive day of decline. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated between a low of $181.40 and a high of $184.49, reflecting a 1.7% fluctuation. In the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 6 of them, resulting in an overall decrease of 1.61%. Notably, despite an increase in trading volume by 9 million shares on the last day, prices continued to decline. This situation may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the upcoming days. In total, approximately 62 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a value of around $11.39 billion. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price reached $199.62, while the lowest price was $143.90. Currently, the stock price stands at a level 7.9% below the 52-week high, equivalent to a decrease of $15.76. Furthermore, it is 19.45% below the all-time high reached on August 30, 2018, when the price hit $228.26. Analyst ratings. On Friday, February 2, 2024, Goldman Sachs upgraded Apple with an outperform grade. On Thursday, February 1, 2024, Piper Sandler gave Apple an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Wedbush upgraded Apple with an outperform grade and a hold action. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities upgraded Apple with a buy grade. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities downgraded Apple with a negative grade. Analysts have given Apple stock a strong buy rating across the board. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy indicators. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong buy rating. Today, let's take a closer look at the signals for Apple stock. Currently, there are few positive technical signals for Apple. In fact, both short and long-term moving averages indicate sell signals, suggesting a negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relationship between these two signals further supports a sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. It's important to note that on any upward corrections, the stock may face resistance at $186.68 and $187.94. However, if the stock breaks above these levels, it would issue buy signals. On Wednesday, February 7, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, leading to a decline of -2.93% so far. This indicates a potential further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Moreover, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also currently suggests a sell signal. Yesterday, volume rose on falling prices, which could serve as an early warning. It's advisable to monitor the stock more closely in light of this development. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence shows a sell signal. Pivots indicate a sell signal 7 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator suggests a buy signal 29 days ago. The short-term moving average signals a sell 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also signals a sell 14 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 12 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average also suggests a sell signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal 58 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple has found support from accumulated volume at $183.63. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. Overall, Apple stock tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered to be very low. In fact, during the last day, the stock only had a $3.09 difference between its high and low, which is equivalent to a 1.7% change. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.39%. Let's begin by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore potential trading levels for Apple. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's P/E ratio falls within a relatively normal range, which is often observed in companies with established track records or predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the Q1 2024 earnings report is scheduled for May 2, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report stand at $1.51. It's important to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Apple. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple stands at $185.85. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. However, for those who already hold the stock, this could be a suitable level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $183.63. If this support level proves to be strong, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. According to multiple analyst sources, Apple has received a strong buy rating on average. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On February 1, 2024, Susan Wagner made an insider buy of 1,852 shares of common stock. On February 1, 2024, Susan Wagner conducted an insider sell of 1,852 shares of restricted stock unit. On February 1, 2024, Ronald D. Sugar made an insider buy of 1,852 shares of common stock. On February 1, 2024, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider sell of 1,852 shares of restricted stock unit. On February 1, 2024, Monica C. Lozano made an insider buy of 1,852 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be negative at -18.810. Overall, insiders have purchased 2,289,985 shares and sold 3,425,457 shares in the last 100 trades. We regret to inform you that our evaluation of this stock is negative, and unfortunately, no stop loss has been set. Is Apple stock a good buy? Currently, Apple shows several negative signals and is experiencing a falling trend. As a result, we anticipate weak performance in the coming days or weeks, leading us to hold a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, February 16th, we predict Apple's stock to open with a decrease of $0.610, starting at $183.25. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us is not a reliable source for making investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge that you are solely responsible for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our stock analysis. We value your opinions, so please share your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think will happen to this stock? We're also curious about your target price. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Wishing you success in your trading journey and have a wonderful day from the entire team at StockInvest.